Google debut AI agent for marketer right inside the Chrome. Google just launched its new marketing advisor, an AI agent built directly into Chrome, designed to help digital marketers with tasks like tagging, campaign creation, and troubleshooting, all with just one click. It works across the websites and your CMS, giving real-time suggestions for keywords, targeting, and creative assets, and can apply them if you are a pro. Google is also adding similar AI agent in Google Ads Analytics. They will suggest ad group insights or trends and can even execute change after marketers approval. The goal: free marketers from repetitive tasks so they can focus on strategy, helping them do more and faster. This marks a big step toward agentic AI tools that act, not just assist, making marketing easier and smarter.